Good morning, lovely people. Today we're going also a 1.5 tour, so that means again 42 kilometer. Yeah, what I have to say, I feel that from yesterday. My bones and my tendons are a little bit hurting, and my knees as well. But no, it's okay. Yeah. So first we're going to Priùla. Priùla. Also, it's a possibility to buy stuff. Supermarket. It's a little bit bigger. I don't know if it's bigger than Refontolo, but we'll see. And after that, we're going to Boca, and yeah, there's hopefully a place to sleep. Yeah, so nothing to say. Here you have a little bit wine. So white wine. Someday, one day, I don't know. Flag. German citizen. They wasn't great many years in the beginning, so wasn't able to go farther, and now I'm stuck in the Rivolo, and decided to stay here, get a little bit of rest. I ate gelato, and now I'm eating wraps. Yeah, that would be avoidable. I'll just walk one tour instead of two. Anyway, crossing fingers. Hopefully tomorrow is everything fine with my knee. Going farther to Boca. We'll see. I don't know. After eat a little bit pizza prosciutto. According to my doctor, bouldering helps against everything. So muscle aching, irritated tendons, heartbreak, or protruding ears. Put just a little bit of ointment on the spot and it's done. That was my train to Venice. Damn it. Just kidding. Yeah, good morning. My knee is fine for now. We'll see what the day brings. Today we're going to Boca, which is sometimes on the way close to the river, which is, beautiful. And sometimes along the street, which is less beautiful. Yeah. We'll see. Yeah, just 25 kilometers. Maybe I'm able to go farther. We'll see. So, alrighty then. Going to Boca. After the highway, is here a little bridge. On basically this would be the way, but it belongs to the farmer, and they shut the way because they are not in use. Yeah, the hikers use the way. The way is a little bit longer, so we go around. Yeah, we go around this area, and then going on our trek again. Yeah, well, over there is a highway, and if you're going along the highway to walk, it's definitely kürzer. Shorter. God damn it, German words. But to walk between the beans and tomatoes and everything else is much beautiful than walking next to the trucks, cars and everything else. Okay, to check my map.
Brilliant! Forgot the toilet bowl.
Sometimes you have to walk along the road, and the chauvinist who said that woman can't drive, he had never been to Italy. I came too fucking close, I shat in my pants twice. But God bless. I have a brown one, so nobody can see that. Met a couple of days ago some guys, and they just walked the way between Bad Tölz and Belluno, and then they took the bus to Venice. I said, well, why? I mean, I said, well, Rocky, they don't want to walk along the road because it's a little bit too boring. And what should I say? Hey guys, I totally understand you. Lost a little bit of weight since I bought this pants.
Day 19. Welcome to Moscow. Now, Musile di Piave. Tomorrow, just 39-40 kilometers to Venice. Yeah, then I finished my tour. It's a bit strange to know that it has an end tomorrow. Anyway. And the other 50% which I had today, walk along the road. That was, you can skip that part. I repeat, skip that part. Yeah. Anyway, see you tomorrow in Venice.